Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani lapha emakhaya bafethu. Once again, Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show. Ikeni kamari bafethu recording komonko. Letsiba bafethu letsiba nakyathi seyifihlile ya dipuku. Yeah, re abathathamula re baberekola bafethu ya bafethu lapha emakasana. Sicela ukuphakamisa ikasi bafethu ukuthi ya esikhathi lesibeni simele sesifikile. Yeah, siyangena bafethu sesingaphakathi niyazi la ntonsa khona ama Wi-Fi free Wi-Fi bafethu nasemsebenzini nyasa. Yazi Stella sakhona vele sesijwayele kodwa sithi all is well bafethu. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button bafethu. Let us know what you think about our show, share our stories bafethu. Yeah, let each one teach one bafethu. Sesikhona sesingaphakathi. Sipho Hatebe is my name. Paranormal Show is the name of the show bafethu. Thank you so much for choosing us. As I always say, there's so many podcasts out there. Yabon, some artists siyakrevula, siyazama, siyaphanda. Abanye because of unemployment but decide ukuthi baveze izinga, baveze amabele, whatever the case that may be. I still say Tina SC podcast yaseSoweto, we condemn that thing. Some artists kudala sisegame in 23 years sinaba bafit in the game. Yeah. Real artists, thespians bafit. You will never find us sending side. I know this about thespians. True artists, you'll never see them compromising. Just because in the name of wanting money or ngoba siyahlupheka. So bakhona bafika e-industry bafika benza lezi zinto abazenza ngoba bafuna ukutrend abagijimisa ama numbers. Fede only time will tell. On that lighter note bafethu ithi singene sonke ukuthi namhlanje guest esiphathele. Sabona. Njani?
Njani.
All right, good.
Right.
It's good to have you today. How did you hear about the show?
I saw it on YouTube, so I decided to come. Izokhipha nami
okay. Guning, yeah. I can see that. Opete. All right. Yeah. So you felt this is the right platform to offload?
Yeah.
Why is it the right platform for you?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let us save there. Let us get to know you better. Yeah, so please let us know ukuthi igama ubani sibongo ubani nokuthi uphuma kuphi ukhule kanjani ukhule nabo bathi.
Igama uThepiso Olasithole from Eastern Cape State Sprite.
Okay.
Came to Johannesburg 2011.
Okay.
Yes. Ngafunda khona lana until pre-matric grade 11 yeah.
Okay.
Then yeah. I like ukwenza izinto ezingekho right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know what, you're so convicted with us and see. Why would you want to expose yourself like this?
Like maybe I'll feel at ease I'll feel at ease.
All right.
So the first thing I have done, ngalimaza umalume, ngamlimaza ngendlela enye wrong gabi. Ukuthi lento le bengaboni ukuthi ubuthakathi into engiyenzayo. Yes. Ngifike ngamlimaza umalume, ngamginqa ngemoto. Ngokudrowa nje ngadrowa imoto ngathi umalume akafele lapho. Ngekhandlela elimnyama. Fika umalume wathi ngiqika ngemoto, mayiqinqa ngemoto, ngasola after ukuthi okay.
Tsibiso? Are you sure?
Yes.
So you want to let it all out?
Yes.
So you are convicted in your heart, in your spirit?
Yes, 100% sure.
Okay.
Yeah. So, ngizasa kumalume akhe ngemoto, washonela khona lapho. Okay, sharp. Kwaba yinto like iba hobby lento le, iba hobby into ejwayelekile. Okay, sharp. The next thing I did, Mamncane was pregnant. And she didn't know ukuthi pregnant. Mina I took out the child. Ngayomsebenzisa endumbeni. Still lo mntana lo usahleli namanje endumbeni. Uyangisebenzela. U-aunt akazi lutho, she thought she had a miscarriage. Kanti umntana ukhona la emzini. Uyasebenza. Yeah. And then yeah. Ngaphinde ngazolimaza umuntu engihlala naye estradeni esisodwa. Ngimlimazela nje into unnecessary. Ngithi kahle khawuthi ngiteste lento le ukuthi izongisebenzela na. Ngiyitesta komuntu. Izinto mina angisebenzisayo ngisebenzisa amanzi, ngisebenzisa amakhandlela amnyama nabovu namanalithi. Ngisebenzise nyenze the way mina ngifuna ukwenza ngakhona ulimali. then mase uqeda ukulimala ngifeel ngathi ngijabulile right lento le yajwayela lo mntana lo kanti uye nje ongihlupha oyenza ukuthi ngize ngizokhulula lento le kwase uyakhala ufuna ukunikwa igama ufuna ukwenzelwa imisebenzi so mina angingakhuluma ukuthi okay aunt umntana wakho mina ngamthatha eswini ngayomsebenzisa ngomhlalisa endombeni kumanje nje uphakathi kwamakona ungibona ngiphethe lebhayileli elimnyama fike ngamshiya ngathi sala ngihamba nelanga sala khona elinje engimophelele kulo bona bayibuza ukuthi hayibo lo nodoli wambopha abazi ukuthi umntana unodoli kuyo ongisebenzelayo unodoli kuyo oletha yonke lento le hulo mntana lo kulo nodoli lo hulo mntana so ubuthakathi into enye engekho right ugcina uzilimaza wena self ugcina ulimaza nabantu aba close to wena mina ngilimaza owami umama angazi ukuthi mina ngimlimazayo ngamlimaza ekhulelwe ngamtshela straight ngathi mama uzothola umntana and umntana wakho uzophuka wathi uzophuka kanjani fika ngathatha unodoli ngawuphula inyawo umntana waphuka
inyawo
yes umntana he was only 2 months mangimphula inyawo I felt at ease ukuthi ngiphulile vele ngiyenzile into engifuna ukuyenza ubuthakathi ubuqala nje ngento encane
innocent
encane like thina okay mina ngenyanga ngathwasela eMozambique ngihleli 3 years khona ngiloko ngithwasa khona lapha ngabuya so into le umuthi leads you to izinto ezingekho right umuthi ukheha ezintweni ezingekho right thina masiyinyanga once ngayazi umuthi ukuthi okay lo muthi lo uyenza so ngizofuna ukuyenzani ukuzama awuthi ngizama mangahlanganisa lo nalo u1 no2 uzophuma u3 bese siyahlanganisa ngigadla demo gadla idemo ufila calm ufila relaxed and izofuna ukuthi ulokuyenza lento le that's where it leadela to ubuthakathi mina ikati ngiyalisebenzisa isinkwa leseni sidlayo transport
sephisa ume kancane
I'm telling you unsliced bread transport yes siyagibela kahle nje sigibele ubone sigibelile ibhasi lethu siyahamba
okay sephisa I'm going to have to stop you there so trust me this you like uyayazi Soweto podcast do you know the nature of Soweto podcast
yes
do you know how big it is
yes
okay cool I just wanted you and I to understand that for the safety yakho more than anything I'm concerned about you so are you sure you're convicted to say Siga when ungawari
I am sure do not worry about me ayithi ngithengifuna ukukhipha
okay
so ngeke ngidedele
okay cool
yes
now I'm at ease
ngeke nje ngidedele so ngisakutshela isinkwa siyasigibela mangifuna ukusuka manje ngiyeLimpopo ngiyasuka and ubuwazi ukuthi siyasebenzisana namasonto First Church siyasebenzisana nayo le uyibonayo there's others enina ningayiboni ungababona bafaka amabheji zikhona izinto abazenzayo ebumnyameni enina eningazazi siyasebenzisana nalamasonto senza ubuthakathi amatiye lawo ebeloko bathi hayi itiye khona esikuhlanganisayo phakathi siyahlanganisa lapha ukuzibuza ukuthi okay why abantu base mabaqeda ukuphuza letiya baba ne-energy baba hyper
it's true
it's
true no it's true
baba hyper because khona izinto esizifakayo phakathi lapha umuntu akaphelelwa umoya they always hyper bazojumpa ngathi angazi yini umuntu okhona makabuya sula nje umjulu khona izinto esizifakayo phakathi bona they don't see ukwazi ukuthi kulesa sigcoko lesa siyaba control lethi umuntu makafuna ukuyeka isonto la egcina sekalahlekelwa ingqondo yes ngoba basebenzisana nabantu abathakathayo abasitholi nje estradeni thina khona la sihlanganela khona sazi ukuthi okay sihlangana la sohlangana nakuphi futhi sihlangane siyenze i-caucus meeting yethu noma sihlangane estradini thina abathakathi into engizokutshela yona asibulisana sazani ngey'nkathi zethu kumanje so singahlangana nomthakathi ngazi ukuthi hayi siyahlangana ku-meeting ngizomdlula kuphela ingathi angimazi kodwa later on sasho ukuthi okay awuthi ngeke asibu ngifuna ukuyothatha umzimba wakhe ngiyosebenza ngifuna ukuyomgibela kuzoba yashe lami namhlanje awukazi ukuze ukuthi sometimes uzovuka umzimba ukhathele sisuke sikuride ubuye eMpumalanga ubuyele eMpopo le lo uyahamba wena uyahashi siyasha uzo
spirit.
yes uze ukuthi ya wena ulele sithathe umoya wakho uwo lo sebenza sigibela wena ubuthakathi enye into abantu abanga-understand enye into eninga-understand ubuthakathi siyasebenzisana nama-Nigeria umuntu uyakhona ukuthi umbulale ngeqanda umuntu uyakhona ukuthi umbulale ngemali yakhe ngifike kuwe ngithi okay ngicela ungiboleke u100 ngisafuna ukuyothenga ugesi ngisuka lapho ngiyazi ukuthi nginayo i100 endlini ngiyayithatha ngiya ngayo emathuneni ngofike ngibophelele ngihlabe ngithi hayi yazini sibu imali yakho naye angizange ngayisebenzisa ngithi yakho sengithathile bengazi ukuthi nginayo bona ukuthi ya manje imali angisayithola wazi ukuthi yini imali yakho ihlele emathuneni that is why abanye abantu bazobona imali ingahlali ihamba njengamanzi maka iphethe maybe uphethe 50,000 I blew it le mali leyo thina siyayithatha soyisebenzisa ilwani zabantu bayenza imisebenzi thina sibanika isilwane engasisona sithatha isilwane esisona
mabayenza imisebenzi
yes
bahlaba
mabahlaba for example uthenge imvu yakhona sengiyazi ukuthi okay kaMakhumalo kunomsebenzi hayi Makhumalo uyelanda waphi imvu yakho on my way ngibona imoto ukuthi nayi ya okay hlanganiso kwami ngiyathumela imvu leni nenibona akusaseyiyo thina sesithathile igazi leli silifaka lapha akusaseyilo thina sesilithathile
really
yes sinezitsha zethu ehlala amagazi sinezitsha zethu ehlala izingane sinezitsha ehlala izinto nje esisebenzisayo nemithi nje hayi kuningi nemithi nje siyayisebenzisa sigadle senzeni sigadle amabhasi lawo ngincikayo ngiyama nje estradeni ngithi ungangiboni bhasi ifika ishaya udriver ngabona ukuthi ushayeni kanti yena uzobona umuntu nina nimbona after lapho ngithatha igazi labantu ngiyolisebenzisa siyaphuza leli gazi leli siyalimunya siyalidla lelitsha sikhona nokuthi sithathe abantwana abangakazalwa sihambe sobabeka endumbeni sibabeke phakathi kwamakona this thing esibiza ngegona yes sibafaka phakathi kuyo abantu abaningi they don't know ukuthi okay njengoba for example uyathwasa sikunika igona kulela gona lele sifakana siqala ngalela gazi leliya wena uzoyitshela ukuthi igazi lesilwane lesothwasa ngaso no sinegazi special esilisebenzisayo silifake lapha sofaka leli lembuzi eyakho sifake imithi that is why amathwasa amaningi la eSouth Africa angayibona impumelelo because siyabavala sithatha amandla abo yena makaqala ethi uzosebenza endumbeni akusebenzeki angahlala 6 months ephehlweni kodwa make buya do akazi next mina ngwathathile amandla akhe lokho ngithi hayi mntanami hayi kuzolunga wena modinga into uzala kimi kanti mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni ogobela bayathakatha izinyanga ziyathakatha umuntu personally uyathakatha yazi ukuthi nenhliziyo nayo iyathakatha umuntu uyambamba ngenhliziyo uthi hayi angimfuni ukuthi ayoshawa imoto inhliziyo yakho umuthi omunye ostrong udlula imithi la emhlabeni that is why uzobona thina masingabantu singafunani sometimes thina abathakathi into esikhona ukuyenza phakathi komndeni siyakhona ukuhlukanisa ngibona ukuthi okay uhappy la hlala khona nomndeni wakhe khawuthi ingene nyogahle angitsafu uyothatha inja ephila ngegubhele egedini lakho
in the spirits episode
like inje phila
Live, uyigubhele.
ngiyigubhele ngiyifake ngivale ngiphinde futhi ngenze ngathi azange ngagutshwa
Hey,
wena ubona ukuthi hayi man akusalungi la ekhaya mayiqala iconcorda leya nje mayiqala iconcorda nasemzini kuyaliwa that it's ama siblings akhona ukuthi abulalane ngenxa yobuthakathi lo besikwenzayo mina sengixabanise emindeni eminingi abanye ba divorce without reasons ngenxa yakalo abanye nje abasathola abantwana because ibeletho nazo siyathatha isibeletho brings wealth
isibeletho.
yes isibeletho somuntu ongakazali siletha imali ungafika kimi uthi okay ngifuna ukuba nemali wena uzobona nje ngigaya wazi ukuthi ngigaya isibeletho somuntu wena uzocabanga ukuthi umuthi kanti akusona ukuthi isibeletho somuntu phela ngithathe spiritually mayifika la ngiyenza naturally ngizoyenza ingathi ihlahla wena ufika uyayenza ngitshela ngithi hayi hamba ubilisa uphuze hayi achela uchela ngesibeletho somunye umuntu that is why noma bathi sifuna ukungena emizini ebophiwe singena naked you have ukuthi ungene naked naked akekho umuntu ozokubona ngiyangena kahle naked ngiyenze ngikwenzayo ngiphuma
Naked.
yes mara sikhona isikhathi sokuthi sibambeke yes sinokuthi nje sibambeke nje uzibona umuntu like yo manje ngibambekile la bayathandaza bakhona abantu abathandaza bakhona abantu abanamadlozi strong uthi uyangena uvese nje ustuck ngapho uyobona wonke umuntu you are naked isikhathi sakhona phela sine isikhathi esilimitiwe ukuthi okay mawuhamba ebusuku kumele ukuthi ubuye within lesikhathi lesi that is why from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock siyasebenza sibhizi ngasuka la eSouth Africa ngiye eNigeria within those hours ngisigibelele nje isinkwa sami ngihambe ngiyosebenza ngithakathe nje ngenza izinto ezi unnecessary ubuthakathi buqala ngomuthi that's the root cause yobuthakathi buqala ngomuthi inyanga eziningi la eSouth Africa seziyathakatha akusana nyanga la singabathakathi sonke mina ngakufela umona ngibona ukuthi okay unamathwasa ay25 mina ngina 3 ngiyafika ngiyohlanganisa hawo mahlale egodweni namathwasa phela sinamagama lawe siwani wawo nephehlweni lawa amadlozi asinika wona uthi hawo mahlale egodweni unamathwasa ngiyagaya ngapha ngiyagaya ngihambe ngiyokahla mangikahla itsayidi kuthwasa lakho liyashona engibona ukuthi lisebenza kakhulu ngibulala lona ngiyahamba ngiyothatha umoya walo ngiyosebenzisa ukuthi lingibizele ini amanye amathwasa thakathi lobo qedile ngawo so ubuthakathi something else enye into obuthakathi I remember last mangizenza into nje nami engangijabulisanga ngiseMpumalanga mangiseMpumalanga bekumele ukuthi ngiyosebenza ngiqinisa umuzi okay ngiyabona ukuthi sharp ubaba uphila kahle emzini unezingane zakhe baphila kahle sharp usafunani no ngifuna into ethize ngifuna uqinisa umuzi ngathi no angeke ngiqinise ngifuna ukumfela umoya
serious
yes ngamtshela ngathi thenga isilwane esithize uthenge ingubo ezithize cabanga ngithi kuye thenga amabhayi amnyama awathenga vele ay24 ngamtshela ngathi nihambe la emzini mina I had to go and plant ikhanda lesiswane lesila endlini ukuthi ngibhidlize umuzi wakhe azange ngayenza into ayifunayo ngiyenze the opposite yes which is nakho lokho ubuthakathi ngayenza the opposite yento le ubaba abantu bekayifuna eMpumalanga
kwapeda
wathi uyafona, hayi gogo akulungi, hayi gogo akulungi. Ngathi hayi awuyenzanga kahle, amabhayi usawabekile esihlahleni kanti akazi ukuthi khosi lebhayi lalibekile esihlahleni elimnyama. Ikhanda lesilwane lesi ngiligubhele nginomona ngakhona ngaze ngabeka ne-couch ukuthi eloku ehlalele lekhanda demoya lokhu ehlala idemona lo lokulenza libhidliza idemona lokulibhidliza idemona lokulibhidliza demona lokulibhidliza. Mina endaweni la ngihlala khona abasangifuni manje.
Tshepiso.
Yes, ngoba bayazi mangathi wena you have only 24 hours ulibambe lingashoni, uzolibamba vele lingashoni bese ngiyahamba ngiyokusebenzisa endombeni. Uzosebenzela mina, ungisebenzele baze babuze bathi umncane kangaka ubuthakathi ukutholaphi. Ngithi ngabe uphiwa ubuthakathi and nalo muntu lo ngiphe bona ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ngiyamazi ngoba angimazi kodwa wangipha ubuthakathi. Because lento le iqale kuyinto encane. Ngiyajwayela, ngiyathakatha ungibona ngisho.
Okay, Tshepiso, let us go back from where you started. You said you initiated Zimbabwe.
Mozambique, yes.
Okay. Please tell us, just take us through the processes in Mozambique.
Okay, Mozambique ngifika ngiyothwasa kwaku-right. Ngathwasa kahle kuyidlozi eliclean.
When you started, did you have the gift when itself? Did you have the calling when it was with Yazinsika noma kanjani?
Yeah.
And then what prompted you to go there, not here local?
I never went alone. I was taken. Mina ngabona ugogo engibiza athi Masambe. Mina ngiyalandela. Ngigcine umama ngithi kuma wami mangihamba ngiyolala. Umama athi okay, hamba uyolala ukhiye. Ngakhiya vele. Ekseni mangivuka yebo. Kwenzakalani sehlathini angisekho endlini. Lento le ayingitshela ukuthi buyela emuva, ingitshela ukuthi hamba. Ngaqhubeka. Nozibona sengiseMozambique. Then bafonela umama, okay, ingane yakho iseMoz.
Tshepiso, ngokuhamba nje kuphela just by walking.
Lento le mayifika. You are not there. Wena ungayitshela ukuthi okay, I wanna rest now. Kanti lesikhathi lesi yona ifika izokuthatha. You don't feel anything when uzobona usendaweni. That is why bantu abaningi inyanga before hayi manje because manje singabathakatha kusiyinyanga. Inyanga before bezikhona ukubonisa ugobela wazo. Kuthi aphuma ezwe izwi lithi phuma uye emzini oso. From Joburg to Natal uzofika. Ngiyothola abakulindile. Mina vele ngathola abangilindile ngathwasa kahle. Hayi ngaba right singamathwasa. Wafika la inhliziyo.
Oyithole khona lapha.
Wafika le inhliziyo ngoba besimonelana thina singamathwasa. Lo mangibona ukuthi okay lo uthanda ugobela kakhulu. Ngizothela ipoison ku rice. Ngithi uyafa. Ugobela umuntu makafile emtshela ukuthi hayi siyamgcaba simenza so. Wena on your mind uthi okay mangamgcabi ngamgcaba ngathatha la ngimgcabe khona ngahlanganisa kuzoyenzakalani buyaqala ubuthakathi. Kwaba njalo ke ngaya ngakhulana lento le till this day. Njengoba ngifuna ukudedela so. Till this day.
So you are you saying umuntu makaphuma endlini athi you consult, chances are lento yokuthi consult yona akusiyo. So meaning in a nutshell angazi ngizothi ba few or mewuthi abasekho akunanokuthi ba few uzothi 2% nokuthi yabona ngathi uye kuba nobani or completely there's none.
Abasekho. Thina into esiyenzile manje kule system le yobumoya ku system obunyana. On a spiritual world sifike savala. Sifuna abaqamba amanga enama ngakhona ayakholweka. ngafika manje ngiconsult wena ngitshela ukuthi hey ilife yami ayihambi kahle mawufika lapha iphumile engqondweni lo uzokutshela into engasiyiyo uvume futhi uthi hayi nyabo ngikhiphe nemali yakho eyesona bayadla imali thina imali le ebayifaka emitundini this thing ebathi umtundu siyafika soyithatha ayini sebasebenzela thina ba actor as inyanga kungasinyanga that's why amathwasa kusena amathwasa singaba nomoya wedlozi C5 ekhaya edle singabantwana bomuntu yithi esikwenzayo lokho sithela le mimoya le yabantu laba esibabulalile bazo acting ngathi yidlozi ngeshanga nesibiza umdliwa yebo bathi umdliwa into khona uzombona umuntu awuthi awunedlozi kanti akusidlozi imimoya yabantu ababulalwa abathakathi emathuneni siyakhona ukuthi sivuse umoya womuntu sihambe siyosebenzisa sithi wena uzosebenza kusibanibani uyenzele mina imali umbona umntana uyakhula akekho right kodwa uzalwe enormal sithatha nengqondo ingane zesikolo lethitswa seziwa manje esikolweni kahle yithi ngithi sebenzisana nedemoni kahle sebenzisana noSathani kahle ngoba sibenzisa ibhayela iminyama elibovu amakhandlela amnyama amakhandlela abovu amanayithi izinto esizisebenzisayo sebenzisana noSathani siyaliphuza negazi la ebhara la sangena saphuma uzobathi umuntu ufile kanti akafanga samthebula singithathile bekungasesikhathi sakhe ngoba sifuna ukuyomsebenzisa emzimbeni womunye umuntu kumanje ungaba nengane ngifike ngithathe hayi boy right ngithayisha ikhanda sengimfake lo moya lo yakho ngiyakhona ukufaka lo moya lo yakho through imali hlangane nje emall hayi bengicela ukuthi ungishintshele 100 rand singenile usebenzile ngawo ebusuku wena uzosebenzela mina emini uzosebenza kahle kodwa ebusuku uzosebenzela mina
ngicela change nje kuphela
ngicela change uzoba yi7 yami wena ebusuku mangifuna ukugibela ngagibela mangifuna ukuthumela nature uzoya nature mangifuna ukuthumela impopho uzoyela impopho mangifuna ukuthumela Eastern Cape uzoya uvuka umzimba ukhathela uzizwe nokuthi hayi nomsebenzi ngiyakhwitha ubone ukuthi ya ngiyakhwitha nomsebenzi ngenxa ukuthi ngiyakusebenzisa ebusuku you doing 2 jobs in one day.
Tshepiso, are we ignorant thina abantu?
Yeah, very ignorant. Thina abantu abamnyama into esiqedayo sithanda izinto. Sithanda izinto too much. Sithanda izinto. Mawubona umuntu yenza lento le nawe ufuna ukuyenza. And awazi ukuthi yena uyenzelani. Abanye abantu siyabasebenzisa. Umbono unendlu enkulu. Usebenziswa umthakathi ukuthi abe nayo leyo ndlu leyo. Kwezinye izindlu ungangena simtshelile umuntu okay baba noma mama kule khona leliya besacela nje usifunele isitsha seyinamele uhlezi usivalile yena angazi ukuthi usivalele lapha phakathi sishiya izinto zethu siyabuya ebusuku sizozilanda wena uvalile awuvula wazi lutho ngaya ngiyinyanga ngiyosebenza umuntu ngithi mama ngicela ungithengele into so ungibekele yona ngizofika kanti kudala mina sengisebenzile ngalezi zinto lezo lezi enginika zona asisasebenza sana amandla ezinamandla sithathwe yini ngiyosebenzisa for mina hayi wena ubone ilife yakho iyale ngenxa ukuthi inhliziyo embi thina abantu abamnyama asifuni ukubona omunye umuntu ephumelele yaphambili
Kuyiqiniso lo.
asifuni sithakathana thina phakathi emasontweni siyangena before bazowenza lokho ebakwenzayo esontweni thina sesingene kudala that's why kwamanye amasonto uzobona bewa befenda benzani suke le mimoya le yasizwa ukushisa ngithi manje izwa ukushisa lapha endlini lo ngiyakhanda so 2 forces are fighting at the same time Umbona umuntu uyascream uyitshela ukuthi ubona izinto. Akabona izinto imoya leya yomthandazo naleyo buthakathi ziyalisana. Bathi hayi umoya akusumoya umoya lo esizothatha sihambe thina sosebenzisa. Sithatha ukuhlakanipha kwakho sihambe sosebenzisa khona. Understand what I'm saying? Emasontweni siyangena kuma buildings siyangena eyimotweni zabantu siyangena. Kahle kahle singena yonke indawo nje. Akukho la singangeni khona.
Nase parliament, even politics.
Ungakhuluma inkinga lapho. Awuboni manje sebaya exposeka bayaboshwa. Ngoba siyazi ukuthi thina abathakathi siyenzeni. They get exposed. Kumanje uyitshela ukuthi hayi nginemali. Ngizoba nayo imali, nginayo imali. Kanti akazi ukuthi le mali leyo before izofika kubo isisebenziwe. Ilimiti ukuthi izomsebenzela isikhathi esingaka sizomshubela.
So you guys know ukuthi after 6 years, 7 years cut i-lifespan yakhe yobumnandi.
Bese bokuthola ukuthi une fraud nezinto ongazazi ezenzwe yile mwele ethine sithumelile ukuthi izenze. Lemimoya siyayithumela ukuthi isebenze. Nibazwe bekhuluma o president la. Sometimes usuke ngasumbone nje ukuthi hawo president uphethe ubuthongo Nkosi yami. Ukuyosebenzisa umoya ufuna ukusebenza kude hayi Nkosi yami. Umuzwe nje ekhuluma naslo. Ukhathele. Siyabagibela bo Ramza. Siyabagibela. Senza kuphela. Siyabayenzela futhi sithanda nalabo abanemali kakhulu. Because laba abanemali yibo abakhona uku-attractor abantu abanganamali. Uma ubona umuntu ohluphekile uyamnika 1 rand sesimfakelwa umoya loya. Why don't you ask yourself ukuthi why abantu abamnyama kuphela ingane zabo ezibhema inyawupe? It's rare ukuthi uyothola
India,
umlungu, iChina libhema inyawupe. Thola bona laba abamnyama ngoba thina abantu abamnyama sithanda izinto. Omunye akayibhemi ngoba uthi uyayibhema, usuke ibhema ngoba uyibhemiswa yilento lo, umbona ukuthi uhlakaniphile. Sithatha lokho akuhlakanipha saguqula sethi makamba ubhema inyawupe. Thathele ya mentality uyahamba uyobhema inyawupe. Siqedile ngaye. Ngibona ukuthi okay upase kahle imatric yakhe. Unayo yonke into une degree. Ihleli nje akayenzi lutho. Simfakelwa umoya uzovese nje alahle ithawuli. Ahamba yongena kunyawupe. And mothi uyabheka unama qualifications right. Ukuthi mina umuntu omnyama ngithi ayeka azaphumelele. Ngambona ngowami ephumelele. Uzoyibhema inyawupe. Befike ke beze kithi. Hayi makhosi wena hey yazi ngifuna nathi sigaye. The more sigaye the more nathi sifaka le umoya lo moya lo ozosebenza. Uthi yewena hamba yophe. Afika bhem without reason nje umuntu afika bhem. Did you know ukuthi inwele zomuntu siyakhona ukuzicuthula sihambe sosebenzisa? Be careful of your hair. Be very careful. Ungatrust noma ubani einweleni zakho. Ngoba I can make your life miserable. Ngeinwele kuphela. I can make your life miserable. Ngeinwele nje. Be careful. Qaphele. Inwele azikho right baningi sibaqedile ngeinwele umuntu ezwethi ngishaya ekhanda kanti ngisebenzela kusekhanda linomali. Ngiyadla ubucopho. La ngaphakathi lokho ngidla ubucopho ngiyabudla ubucopho uzikhanda this time lishaya ngapha mawuthi ubhekile shaya ku left siloko siyadla ubucopho siyadla la sizogcina khona sigcina ngapha sokufaka ubucopho engasuku ubucopho besilwane siyakufaka ubucopho bemfene siyakufaka lelisa abanye abantu bazothi bayahlanya bangahlanye sisuke simfake imfene isilwane phakathi umbone actor world suke simfake isilwane ngenxa ukuthi asifuni ukumbona eyaphambili asifuni ukumbona ephumelele.
Okay, Tshepiso, help us out now. How do you then distinguish between umuntu mothi yabona Sipho uma ufuna ubona umuntu othakathiwe obona ukuthi la unesandla
kunesandla semfene.
yeah esingenini. How do one tell ukuthi mase kasi lapho ngicela ukubheke umuntu obehave so
Yeah.
umuntu owenza so, that person 99.999% is most likely to be bewitched. Good. In most cases, how do you detect ubone ukuthi hayi indlu ethakathiwe uzoyibona ngalo lama behaviors lanka so? What are the normal things or the
Okay, abona indlu ethakathiwe. Indlu ethakathiwe uzoyibona ngokunganakekelo. Ukungcola. Ngaphandle. Ukulwa. Phuza umama, phuza ubaba, phuza ingane. Bhema umama, bhema ubaba, bhema ingane. Ngenxa yani asifuni ukuyibona impumelelo. Umuntu omunye othakathiwe uzomthola estradeni ekhuluma e1, usuke engakhuluma e1, usuke ekhuluma nalesilwane lesi esimuphe sona. Uzwa izinto ezingaziwa abantu. Uzwa lama voices lawa abantu laba esibabulele. Sahamba sathatha imimoya yabo, sayihambisa nabo. Umbona umuntu estradeni ukuthi ya userious uyakhuluma conversation eserious kodwa mothi uyabheka akunamuntu. Khuluma nalesi spirit lesi sisikhiphe emntwini bekumele ukuthi uyayiphilela freely. Phela ispirit lezi azilali ngoba sisithatha kungakafiki isikhathi sakho sokuthi zihambe la emhlabeni. So they still wanna live. Thina sesenze nje ifavor sibaphilise phakathi kwabantu kodwa bahlupha labantu laba abaphila phakathi kwabo. Thina siya gain from that. Bona they don't gain, thina siya gain. We gain a lot. Siya gain. So umuntu othakathiwe uyabonakala. Nomuntu ongathakathiwe, umuntu othakathiwe nomuntu ozenzile bahlukile. Ozenzile uyambona, othakathiwe uyambona. Ungasuka uyingane from a rich family kube wena uyi-one nje engathi awukho right. Sikuthakathile sifuna ukuzisa umndeni wakho ubuhlungu. Singakuyeka ube rich ube nayo inkinto. At the end of the day sikuthathela abazali. Siyahamba sobasebenzisa. Sithathe yonke into usale uyi-one. Then that's where sizothatha lesa spirit asithathe lesala emndenini ngoba sizokusebenzela so kuyenzele izinto ezinhle. Thatha lesa ongasazi so sithi gish emzimbeni. Hlala uhlupheka one way. Hlala uhlupheka one way. Hlala uhlupheka one way. And the more uhlupheka idemo mina ngena because lezi zinto lezi wena bekumele ukuthi usithole zitholwa yini?
exchange?
Yes, on the other side. Zitholwa yini lezo zinto? So yeah, kuningi.
Okay. Thank you, son. Then the question is, njengoba siphila la emhlabeni samba emakasana every day siyakrossana siyiphaza simamolini siyachayisana yonke le nto le. So into esingekho aware ngazo is that in the spirit lezi zinto siphila nazo on daily basis. Every single day, every single second,
hour khona into enzakalayo.
Kuyagadlwa nje in the spirit.
Kuyagadlwa non-stop. As long nje le moya le isaphefumula phakathi ebantwini isazosebenza. Lelisa uzobona abanye abantu mawusemall ethi ugibela lift collapse. Umoya loya uzwa ingathi uyaphakama. Kanti awuphakami uthukile. Uyitshela ukuthi uyasuka emzimbeni. Then they collapse. Umuntu unokuthi nje esithubeni ezwele nje. There's this thing anytime I feeds. Sometimes kusuke kungasama feeds. Ngimhambisa nesilwane, isilwane lesama sesikhathele ukusebenza manje siyalwe emzimbeni. Awe. Lelithiwa abanye begcina beyiluma ini amalimi egcine efa. Maqeda ukufa isilwane sibuyela kumnikazi. Siyothatha lo moya sibuya nalo moya lo
walomuntu
lo yes. Siyahamba manje somsebenzi nina nizosala ngcwaba kahle. Kodwa ebusumani qeda ukumbeka siyahamba siyothatha futhi. Siyamtshela akusindawo yakho yokugcina leyo kulala. Wena uyolala le endlini. Akayolala emathuneni, uyolala endumbeni ayosebenza futhi.
Tshepiso right there and then amalungu omndeni athi ayahamba ayethuneni ayocela ayophahla. Mabafika lapho batholani njengoba senemthathile nini umoya wakhe batholani lapho?
Abatholi lutho. Abatholi lutho. Dedithi abanye abantu mabahamba bayophahla emathuneni kungenzeki next ngoba sithathile sekusele nje amathambo asenze lutho. Umoya wakhe awusawukuzwa next. Umoya usulalela mina. Angithi usebenzela mina. Yes. Ulalela mina.
Yo.
Manje ngawutshela umoya ngithi hamba uyekini. Uyongithathela into ethize yakama wakho. Uzolalela vele. Hamba uyekini uyophula uma wakho inyawo. Kodwa abantu Nkosi yami ethi uyamoka edigrar. Umphulile inyawo sithathile ithambo. Solisebenzisa siphinde futhi silibuyise. Kodwa masilibuyisa asibuyisi leliya elakhe. Sibuyise elinye lesilwane. Umbona ugogo manje sekahamba ngendlela kasami idebe kahamba ngakhona kungathi angazi yini. Sithathile. Ngoba kusithambo lakhe akaphukanga ngoba bekumele ukuthi ephuke uyenziwe. So ubuthakathi henye into nje serious la South Africa.
Futhi singaboni thina.
Yeah. Ngiyabona.
Thina sabheke outside ebo Malawi
yabo sabheke Nigeria, Mozambique khona bula.
Sizenza ngcono kanje.
Khona la sisebenzisana nalaba ninenitshela ukuthi abathakatha kakhulu. Kanti thina sinokubaphasa. Sithi hayi mangahlanganisa lokho nalokho makhelwane sami ngoba kusasebenzisa umoya wena. Ube rich. Ngithasebenzisa ingane kamakhelwane.
Tshepiso nje sizenza ngcono so thina la South Africa.
South Africa. South Africa hayi. Ni ngcono kodwa aninalutho. Ni surrounded by dark forces. Izinto ezinisurroundile. You are surrounded by dark forces. Dark forces are surrounding you, South Africans. Ngoba nitshela ukuthi izinto zenzeka ngaphandle. Lapha mngomehlweni aniziboni. Kodwa they do happen on daily basis. They do. Ubuthakathi yenye into serious. Very, very, very serious. Then umuntu ukuthi hayi ngeke baze bangikhona ngeke bakukhona ubani wena ngoba sesiqede kudala ngawo ngeke baze bangikhona ngizophumelela ngithi va phumelela faka ibhayela iminyamweni uzobona ingathi ufaka ku standstill ngizobona ingathi uyaphambili kanti hayi uyinkukhu khabele emuva wena utshela ukuthi uyaphambili kwayibona inkukhu mama idingana namatshe iloku yemuva iyaphambili iloku yemuva iyaphambili endaweni e1 kunjalo so beka ku standstill.
Tshepiso, can we come to this point? Nokuzwa kakhulu esikhathini esiningi within us, our family members and what not. Uze umuntu athi phela mina Sipho ngiyaphupha ngibonisa uthiwe wena ufuna ukungenza so. Ngicela usihighlightele lapho ukuthi kusuke kwenzakalani.
Lapho sisuke siza kuwe ne spiritual world. Okay, ngiyazi ukuthi sifuna uxabanisa ngithi. Okay, uSipho nobongani bayazwana. Khawuthi ngenze enye into. Thatha umoya kaSipho ngiyofaka engqondweni yakhe. Nika uSipho umese. Thatha umoya kaloya ugwaze waloya. Yena ebona ngathi ngiyaphupha. Ithi Sipho uphuphe ungigwaza ayiqala lapha inqabana. Mase ngixabene ke kulathi nasijabula khona. Ithi hlasela moya thatha umuntu ofile ithambo hlasela uEde. UEde petrol. Enda ipetrol. Abane ngigcina senibulalana. Manibulalana siyawuthatha umoya wena. Sosebenzisa nani nosebenzela abanye. So nifaka emzimbeni abanye nabo mabafa siyathatha. I don't know how many servants do I have. Maningi. Kodwa i-servant lami engilithembayo ile ngane uNodoli. Hayi ngimthemba kabi. Kumanje na ukhathele. Ngoma uzwekhala la. Futhi ngihlanye. Nokugijima estradeni ingcono ngagijima. Ngoba ukhathele. Ufuna ukuhamba ayeke lezi zinto lezi engimenzisa zona. Kodwa mina ngivumi. Kumanje njengoba sengiyakhipha. Ngifuna nje ukuthi ngimdedele. Ngikhulume neqiniso ku-auntie ngithi hayi auntie ngayenza lokhu nalokhu. Obviously uzongizonda. But uzongizonda sengimtshela iqiniso. And uzongizonda mina sengigenile lokhu bengifuna ukukugena.
Ile qiniso ufuna ukulikhuluma. Okay, Tshepiso, I don't want us to go much to you. Ngifuna nje sikhulume general. Yabona le personal ngifuna si preserve because this is you ofuna ukuhlambululuka but angifuni singene ukuthi yasipho ngamgwaza ngayi leyo man Tshepiso. Like I just feel for you. Honestly, with all humility, I just feel for you. Ukuthi yazini. Don't give him too much. Please just keep it here, you know? So ngisabuya kule part lena man Tshepiso. Umuntu athuphuphile silwe sisodwa. So what are the chances ukuthi ngempela umuntu uphuphisa into empela? How do you distinguish into yamampela ukuthi ngempela ubonisiwe and this is the right thing? Nalo okusuke kube nesandla semfene.
Yabona ma ubona ukuthi vele uyiphuphisiwe. Kusuke kuyidlozi lasekhaya elihle. Remember kunedlozi elibi, kunedlozi elihle.
Yes.
Idlozi elihle yilo elizokukhomba. And then maselukhombile lelo phupho lelo will happen exactly the ulibone ngakhona. Yes. Uphinde uthi hayi man lento le ngingayibona somewhere and ngingakhuluma ngayo. They didn't believe me. Idlozi elihle liyakuvikela. Lele libi yile lesisebenza ngalo. Siyakhona ukulithuma sithi yenza lokho. Uze bathi hayi une cancer kanti akusi cancer sokufaka isibungu siyakudla phakathi.
Isibungu.
Yes. Siloko siyakudla phakathi wena lokuthi cancer akusi cancer isibungu. Sisifakile. Angithi sifuna lo moya lo wakho. Sifuna ukubulala slow. Very slow.
In most cases, let me say 99%, into esuke ileqiwe kakhulukazi in the spirit kuleqwa abantu abanjani?
Abantu
Gifted, money, umuntu ombona ukuthi nema or kuleqwa abantu abanjani?
kuleqwa abantu abanemali. Abantu abanengqondo, brilliant. Abantu esibona ukuthi uzosusa umndeni wakhe la ukhona awuyise kwenye level. Kuleqwa umuntu esibona ukuthi lo uza ngenye into. Uzoguqula. Maganda yena nje umhlaba uzonyakaza. Ibe sibagijimisayo. Angithi thina sifuna ukuthi kurule thina. Hayibona. Nale ingane lezi sizikhiphe abomama abangakaziboni. Ngisuke ngiyibone kudala ukuthi okay lo uyosusa uma wakhe kule level la kuyo. Khawuthi ngikhiphe umama khona ngakamboni. Angayibona impumelelo.
Do you have one example in particular ukuthi kuye wabona umntana istar somntwana sishine bright then wenza ukuthi nimthi?
Umbona umntana maphakathi esisweni sikama wakhe ukuthi okay into abona umntana mangavela uvele fumbathe.
Yes.
Fumbathe everything yakhela.
So it's true that thing.
Yes. So thina masifika ngena ngomoya uyavula isandla ubona ukuthi okay yoba nendloba nemoto yoqeda isikole. Ngapha uphethe namakhiye yini ayifi. Lelithi abanye sibayenzani ama stillborn. Umntana aveske nje afele esiswini ngoba sesibonile ukuthi once waphuma la kuyoba yenye into enkulu. Abanye sisuke sibakhipha ngoba siyabona ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu umuphe ukuthi kube umfundisi. We don't want him or her to spread the word of God. Because liyas disturb thina la sikhona.
Tshepiso nimbona lo muntu asasesiswini?
Yes. Asesesiswini ukuthi okay lo uyophatha into kanje nakanje nakanje nakanje.
The star is coming here.
Sithi gadla ngihambe mina ngiyomsebenzisa.
Osurvivayo onjani?
Osurvivayo ulo onamandla. Bakhona ba weak. Yilo onamandla. uNkulunkulu sometimes into akhona ukuyenza uyakhona ukuthi amnike aphinde futhi am-ede nangamandla futhi. Lerithe abanye abomama mabathi bayodeda kushone umzali kusurvive ingane. Thina besithi sithathani ingane hayi umama. Kodwa yathi the opposite. Yenza kanjalo. Ingane inamandla ukudlula unini. Angithi kuyasho ukuthi ingane iyofela ini izono zabazali. So thina sifuna bese
ufe yona.
Kodwa ithi the opposite yofa umzali.
Isuke namandla.
Isuke namandla. Isuke singayikhona. Kukhona la sikhona ukungena khona, kukhona la singakhona ukungena khona. Kukhona la singena khona kodwa singakhona ukuphuma.
I like that point. I was about to come to that. Where do you survive? Where do you not survive?
Okay, la si nga survive khona. Imizi labathandaza khona kakhulu. Yeah. I survive. Ijaridi elinesonto phakathi. I survive.
Tshepiso, you're being for real now.
Yes. Ijaridi elinesonto asikhona ukungena, ungangena kodwa uphuma. It's not easy. Not.
So like vandag mangaqala isonto lapha edladleni usho ukuthi ngaba grand.
Uzoba mjojo ngeke khona ukungena. Ngisho nezulu mangithi
ngiyazwila ne guys.
Ngithi nezulu mangithi ngiyalifaka lapha ngithi hey khawushaya izulu lapha liyojika lizoshaya mina ngishowe azini.
Tshepiso, you're being for real now.
I'm being for real. Umuzi labathandaza khona kakhulu asikhona ukungena. La kunesonto khona sikhona ukungena. Singangena la kunesonto kodwa ukuphuma is not easy.
Unless isonto lamanga.
Unless if isonto lamanga.
Okay.
Njengabo Bushire. Siyangena sizenzele ke. Lapho siyangena. Kubo umkhuba laba siyangena. Siyangena sizenzele. Amasonto maningi akwamanga esikhona ukuthi sisebenze. That is why labafundisi laba khona ukuthi mase kufikele yanto leya. Ngifike ngithi wena ngithuma umoya ngithi lo feel. Hamba uye kuloya. Ufike umkhulumise ngevoice yendoda. Akhuluma ukuthi ngibulale bani. Izinto ezinjalo. Ngamthakatha, ngamthethela lokho. Kwamanga kusuke ukukhuluma lesa spirit lesa esisithumile. That's how nabafundisi laba they gain. Agcwala uzumuntu ngokumbeka nje ithawelele leya siyazi ukuthi okay ithawele masingena lapha sigcobe sekudani and uzobona ingathi unamandla hathi kanti akusamandla amandla weyidlwani nabantu abafile akusamandla wakhe yena mekethi usala lesasulani lesasona yempelele so yeah.
But there is hope.
Yeah, there is.
There is hope.
Yeah. Yabona nje thina la eSouth Africa masingayeka ukuzondana. Ubuthakathi bungapheli.
So yithi sizifakela lobuthakathi.
Yini enisifakela lobuthakathi and niyasi invite nathi thina abathakathi. Inzondo yenu iyasi invite. Mangibona ukuthi awunenhliziyo etshelo. Awuthi ngene. Uyongisebenzela kamnandi. Ngiyangena. Ulwe nobhuti ulwe nomakhelwane ithukane nishayana ngamabhodi nasemathaveni siyangena. Umuntu nje efike kunyathele ngithi shaya sipoko sami sisebenza ngisudakiwe shana ngebhodle awazi kusasa mavuko ayeka mina ngazi bengiphuzile akusutshwala utshwala buna inkinga hila phela ukhumbule ama tavern owners now ayahamba yofuna into ethize for ama customer ngithi so thina sithola opportunity kule nto leya yakhe sibambe lift lebiza ama customer thina sibambe lift mayiloko ibiza ama customer agcwala thumela umoya ke sithi hamba mabashayana chitheka igazi.
Yes.
Malichitheka igazi lakhona thina sihamba soyiphuzela igazi lethu. Yinto besifuna. Ngingashana nishayane. Ngihleli nje mina endlini. 7 times izongilethela ithi ngisebenzile. Ngithi hayi ungaresta ngithuma umuntu. Hamba kulela tavern, shayane futhi. Hamba kuleya club ngishayane futhi. Omunye ngimbona ukuthi lo angimkhonanga lapha kathi ngizomkhona ngemoto yakhe. Ethethe uyaphuma. Gidi. Thatha umoya wakhe ngithatha igazi lakhe ngiyahamba uyongisebenzela. Awukayibuza ukuthi why ezinye idumbu mawuthi uyayibamba ingathi azinagazi. Usibheka isidumbu. Khona ezinye ubona ukuthi ya isikhuma siphile asenagazi. Silithathe kudala. Then makazozwa amakhaza lawaya kuyamunyeka. Inyama ihlangana namathamba kasanagazi. Silithathe kudala siyolisebenzisa.
Tshepiso, would you discourage people from going to the graves? Would you discourage people or what would you say?
No, I won't discourage them, because akusiwo wonke amathuna esithathayo. Amathuna futhi esiwathandayo. Ngize kwenye point, amathuna esiwathandayo. Yila amathuna lawa, yabona abantu abasonta ku abazalwane. Angithi bona they don't go back. Bayophahla bayenzani. Bamshiya khona lapho, they don't care. So thina sikhona ukuthi sihambe sithola opportunity sithathe khona lapho. Nina niphahlayo sometimes kuba nzima ngoba umuntu uyasuka nimshisela impepha makaphuma. Uyoba idlozi elihle. Nkosi yami nginyanyisa ke mayifika lapho. Uyoba idlozi elihle nimphahle. Thina masifika sithi hayi sibabone nathi bamile ngezikhali. Bathi nifuna ukwenza kulomzi. Nifuna ukwenzani kuloma uzilalela. Lelitsha kunalento le ebathi khona imimoya ezulayo.
Roaming around.
Yeah, khona imimoya ezulayo. Ngoba siyayithatha sigcine singakwazi ukuyisebenzisa. Ufike nje uthathe kahle. Kodwa akumele ukuthi uyosebenza awuphunyuka bamphethe. Bese nje uphunyuke. Uyosalundini umoya wakho. Sale nje undini.
Aza.
Ngicela ukubuyisela emuva, ngicela ukubuza ngezangoma.
Yeah.
More special because abantu bakithi basiphandisa nezangoma abantu bamnyama. So in terms of lezo, because safikela i-guest la. Waya lapha ufuna i-lost lover wabuya samfaka umoya esangomeni. So singanotice kanjani if basigangele lese ngesangomeni sangoma singigangele singenze lento ongayifuni. Nganotice kanjani 1 and 2 ngiyakhona na kuyi reverse lento leyo na.
Yeah. Isangoma yokuso uyofuna something. Ubona ukuthi ayisenzanga khona. Anye sizibheke emehlweni. The moment sisebenza sisoloko sithi
Shalazi.
yes, asubheke straight. Wena ukreversa kwakho. Thatha amanzi olwandle. Thatha ikhandlela elimhlophe, thatha ikhwini lakho, thandaze. Uthi back to sender. Mayifika lamanzi lawa angitha notswayi.
Yes.
Itswayi linamandla. Lelitswayi thina abantu abamnyama sithanda ukuchela ngalo. Itswayi mina mthakathi molithelile angikhona ukuganda phezulu kwalo liyashisa. Kumlilo. Itswayi likhona nokwenzana nokuheha inkomo esibayeni. Itswayi abantu abaningi abafuna ukutshontsha inkomo bathatha utswayi. Yes. Utswayi linde strong. Usebenzisa lona uyathumela kusangoma. Angeke usasibona sisebenza. Angeke. Ngoba ubiselile ngento elula. Hayifuni angithena usebenzisa umuthi. Wena usebenzise into natural. Phela amanzi olwandle is nature.
True.
And nature akekho umuntu owazi ukuthi aphuma phi. Afana namanzi coconut. Did you know ukuthi coconut iyasebenza na? Because akekho umuntu owazi ukuthi amanzi wecoconut angene kanjani phakathi kwecoconut.
It's nature, right?
So uyakhona ukuthumela ngecoconut futhi. thatha icoconut, thatha ibhayi lakho elibovu ubophe icoconut, uhambe esigangeni ukhulume lokho okufuna ukukhuluma uyiphahlaze. The moment uyiphahlaza uyaphahlazeka naye. The moment uyiphahlaza icoconut nayo uyaphahlazeka. So thina bathakathi khona lokho abahlula ngakho, khona lokho abakhona ukusingena ngakho, khona lokho abangakhona. Nathi siyakhona ukuthumela mangibona ukuthi
uyalwa nomuntu
uyala uphethe neBhayibheli lakhe nami ngilandela phela nathi sinamasonto ethu samaBhayibheli ethu. Siyavula iCaucus meeting siwubasa umlilo wethu obuthakathi siyenze sina amasonto wethu nathi siyasonta. Wena moza ngelakho iBhayibheli ungalivula, once walivula phela liyashayina lishaya amehlo kula ngizothi kodwa malibambe nje ungenzanga lutho ngithathe lami ngivulela lelithi abantu abaningi ethu uthi uyathandaza makathi uyathandaza angazizwa ukuthi okay ngithandaza umthandazo uyapi. Umubuza umuntu uNkulunkulu onamandla athi hayi fok ngiyayeka sivale kudala nemithandazo yabantu thina siyakhona ukuyivala. Uthi uyathandaza umthandazo kungafiki la ufuna ungathandaza 15 years lokhu uthandazela into e1
ushaya eceleni
ulokuthi ngong umthandazo lokuyabuya ngong ngoba sibekile ile ngoba ile yasibekile mayifika kulele ithi gong ubuyele emuva umthandazo desithakatha ngakhona.
Sipiso hayi usiqoshisile lukhulu. Okay, then my next question, which will probably be my last question, where to from here for you? What is your plan?
Okay,
what have you sacrificed for you to do this, and are you willing to stand for what you're sacrificing?
Okay, from here njengoba sengikhonile ukuthi ngikhulume umhlaba uyazi ukuthi yini izinto esizenzayo singabathakathi. Ngiyahamba ngiyoyenza umsebenzi ritual for cleansing, ngibuyisele imimoya yabantu la ebuya khona bazokhona ukulela ngoxolo ngoba abanye abalala ngoxolo. Ngibasebenzise for fathulo, abanye abasangeni nasemndenini yabo ngenxa yami. So amwile ukuthi ngiyenza imisebenzi ngibayenzele, and mangiyenza umsebenzi wakhona awuyenze like ngithi ngiyamema ngenza umgidi cha, ngoyenza entabeni one uyenze ngithi buyelani emzimbeni buyelani emathuneni,
And they will listen.
they will listen because vele they were listening to me. Bazolalela, they will be free. So nami ngizokhona ukuthi ngibe free ngekele ukusebenzisa abantu ngibuyele back to ubusangoma bami, hayi lobu esengibu-edile ngobuthakathi kumanje endaweni abasangifuni la ngihlala khona abangifuni nokungibheka ngisho nengane encane mangibona ijika ngestrati gijima ikhayizeni yini ngoba sebayitshelile ukuthi ungalokotho, be careful. Wakuthatha wakunquma hayi uhambile.
I'm being for real.
I am being for real.
Uyingost wantethe kasi nje ukuthi lo muntu lo nimsabe.
Futhi bathi msabeni wathi nje babona lo ijika nje ngekhona ngithi
Badla phansi.
udliwa phansi nanoma ngithi hayi khawuthi ngiyobheka nyana ethaveni hayi abantu baveske nje bathe ethaveni ubabona ukuthi yes abafiki free nanoma ngithi hayi khawuthi ngithenge nyana A1 uzobabona bonke bathi mawuthi uyadlula phambi kwawo bachiftisa nezitulo because bayazi ukuthi ngicapable ukwenza. Bazwile babonile izinto engizenzayo bayazazi. Surrounding areas abangifuni emateksini ngaqala nje ngathi hayi
Abayigibeli.
siyaphuma thina drive. So yeah, yabona impilo isinzima for me, isi difficult, isi very difficult. So ngifuna nje ukuthi
Urectify yonke le
yes,
nto leyo.
come clean. Because bathi iqiniso shall set you free. So kumanje ngizizwa free, ngisethekile.
Is it?
Yeah.
So basically, this is your first step in redemption.
Yeah. This is.
Akunamuntu okudonsilwa akuforced or waba nephupho, nothing. You
Nothing.
decided on your
I
own.
decided on my own. Ngathi yazini, today is the day. Today is the day I have to come clean. Ngikhathele.
And you chose this show.
And I chose the show because ngiyazi ukuthi umhlaba wonke uzobona ukuthi thina abantu we are capable of doing what. Thina zangoma we are capable of doing what. Bangabona izangoma kuyizangoma kodwa ezinye kwabathakathi. Umuntu umbona ufaka ubuhlalo kuyi-15,000. Ambona mina. Only one. Fakela lobu nje. Lobu.
That's it.
Phelele. Umbona umuntu ufaka ubuhlalo kuyi-15,000 obu 100,000. Kodwa do simthathele. And bona laba bafake 15,000 ilaba bangazi lutho. Ilaba esibasebenzisayo. Abazi lutho. So I want to come clean. Yeah. I want to come clean.
Tsepiso,
Eish.
at this point in time, all that we can say, truly and really, is, you know, Gogo Wonke. Khona abantu who will be relieved to say, as you've came to the show, one of the biggest shows in the land, truly that means there's progress on your side to say you want to do something positive. And is to appeal to our viewers. Hence I was asking, would no one dragged you, no one forced you, you do it on your own
I
accord.
did it on my own. I wanted to be free. I wanted to set iy'piriti zabantu free. Lezi engiyisebenzisa for ubuthakathi bami. Have you ever seen isangoma sinebhayi elimnyama leli? Or nijwayele leli elimeron? Normally it's meron.
Yes,
Akekho onalo. You can go everywhere. Akekho.
Mama.
Leli bajwayele laba engiwafakile angasho ukuthi hayi ufake ibhayi lelanga leli akekho normally it's maroon kodwa leli ngaliyenziswa ubuthakathi. There's dark forces. That is why there's a hit of red nyana. Yes, because sebenzisa red and black.
Fred, sure.
Hayi njani.
Hayi,
So mina ngombuzo yabo.
okay.
Nemibuzo. So uthi wayinishitha nini lapha eMozambique? What year?
It was 2011.
So uthe, correct me if I'm wrong, uthe in this day and age there's no more true sangomas.
For sure.
What's the real reason behind that?
The reason behind it, ukuthi thina siyathatha sifake izinto engasiyizo, sibafaka umdliwa, into ebayibiza ngokuthi umdliwa. Yes, sibafaka imimoya yabantu engasiyiyo yala ekhaya, babone ingathi idlozi kanti akusidlozi, sihlupha bona. Bahambe bayothwasa nispende imali nenzeni, kodwa there's no truth behind it.
So what do you have to say about people who are like you, or maybe more than you, because of there's still people out there
Yeah.
who wake up at night and then leave for initiation when they get cold. They go underwater. They don't get initiation.
Those are two sangomas.
So are you still reverting your words that you just said now that there's no true sangomas?
There are no two sangomas, there are two sangomas.
Okay.
But laba bona majority yakhona they are not true. Sesicele siyi-fake. Bayenza i-fake yini ngoba sibafaka imimoya engasiyiyo. Ubona ingane encane iwa ilokhu icollapse iyenza isebenziswa kulo moya lo esimfake wona sithambo sebenza ahamba ephehlweni. Thina into esifunayo igazi yena makathwasa mabathi uyathwasa ayimele ukuthi aphuze igazi leliya akuphuzi yena kuyophuza lento le engaphakathi kuyi bese makalikhipha akusaseyilo leli aliphuzile elinye That is why sometimes unokubona mabayenza imisebenzi once bathi bayaslaughter igazi leli liveske nje liome alithathi ne-seconds akusigazi liqiniso igazi leyathatha isikhathi ukoma.
Last question. So, since with the witchcraft that you've committed, do you think that you are the one who chose this dark spirit or this dark ancestor or whatever you may call it? I don't know what you call it.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
are you the one who, like, do you feel like for the witchcraft that you're responsible for, you are the one who chose that ancestor or it chose you? Who chose who?
I chose that ancestor. Because kunedlozi elihle kunedlozi elibi. Yimi engayikhethela ukusebenzisa idlozi elibi.
Amen.
Ngiyikhethelile ukulisebenzisa ngoba bese ngijwayele ukusebenzisa imithi. That is why leza ngaza ne-mentality yokuthi okay ngiyawazi umuthi. Khawuthi ngijike ngapha labathi ngingaye ngakhona. Ngaya ke mina ngilandela lona ukuthi lona lilande mina.
Kahle kahle.
Mina ngilandela lona.
Tshepiso. Yeah, no. The bottom line is, this is a personal choice.
Yeah.
This is you finding redemption. So, you know, what I like is the fact ukuthi makhona ukuqwashisa abantu ngento oyiyenzile oyiphilile. And now you got to a point where you say, enough is enough, as you said when you started. So to me, what comes into my heart is, who doesn't deserve a second chance? Honestly speaking, no matter what crime we may commit under the sun, who doesn't deserve a second chance? To me, you deserve a second chance.
Thank you.
Because you will then become the light to show ukuthi yazi. Let me tell you, mfana githi, lezi zinto lezi mazenzeka, so you must know what the repercussion lento leku so. That is why wherever you go, ufunakalana experience. Because lo muntu seyiphilile lento uyenzile uyayazi. So sidinga lokho lwazi lona. You understand? So personally, ngohatela. Mina, I am saying you deserve a second chance. As much as we are all sinners, we all do things ukuthi ebumnyameni. You might see uhate bafika la khuma kamnandi. Only to find ukuthi in the dark mhlambe endlini abangifuni la ngihambe khona. Khona izinto engizenza abangazwisisi. Or maybe ekuhlaleni. You understand? So for me, I strongly believe as a podcast, you really deserve a chance. Because you decided to take yourself, invitanga, so you decided to come to the show and share your story and let us know who survives in this dark world. As you said, with the heart baby, the ones that survive are the ones that praise the most. And the then they will see the divine protection. Understand? So I don't know what our viewers on how far they could go to understand the extent that you took, the sacrifice that you made. I think, Lord, it's applaudable on its own. That on its own, it's very much applaudable. So sokucela umusa nje ukuthi abantu basemakhaya understand at that point to say you've decided to take a stand against everything that you've been doing. But for the fact that you said you want to change, I think that it's enough for me to say you really and truly deserve a second chance. Prophet Lape Makai, with that being said, of course, I will ask you, let us know what you think about Tshepiso as he has came to the show. And I begin in Dabayaki, you know. So, yeah, I don't angifuni ukuba mkhulu kule ndaba yakhe, but all that I want, to me, I applaud him for coming to the show. It takes so much sacrifice. I can imagine ukuthi ngizoze expose ukuthi hayi manje ngibona ngihleli lana ngikhuluma nani manje ngibona estradeni nejabula kahle kahle ebumnyameni nquma abantu amakhanda. It will take some serious introspection and whatever that it might take for me to come out and tell him, Elon. Abanye abantu size siye egodini singazange siyikhiphe mawuthi bese sebayaphikele khona Sipho ngeke unama uyahlanya Sipho ngeke ayenze lento. Hey, you don't know me. You don't know me as much as I don't know you. So yeah, with that being said, guys, can you please just share a moment to say, you know what, let us search deep to say, if Tshepiso can come to the show and out of his own will tell these stories that he's told us, asibe nozwelo. Let him deal with them. Let him deal with them. Ngendlela ayibona ukuthi it's best. And let God be the judge, not us. With that being not said, Bafethu, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Let us know what you think about this episode stories. Share your thoughts, Bafethu. So yeah, so the podcast is a show that you've been locked in. What I like is that mina la ngihleli khona, Bafethu, ungivula amehlo namehlo engqondo namehlo enhliziyo uTshepiso, and ngiyambonga for doing that. I don't know about you guys. Seriously, I don't know about you. Let us know what we think. Khona izinto maybe ongazazi usuzaze, let us know. Share with us. Ngiyambonga uTshepiso. Ngiyambonga uTshepiso. Ufikile namhlanje wathi hatebe nizofa if you are ignorant in the spirit. Thank you siyabonga uTshepiso. Thank you so much. Ayoba, we are out.
God.